No, I need one.
I'm on?
No. Yeah, you're on now.
Okay. What is this? Scalps with medics, round 1. Purple room. Where are you guys going? Mosque? Okay. Hold up.
Quiet.
She's saying something.
She said something.
Everyone. Well, staying here for 4 keeps you from being eliminated.
Yep. Get up, Jorge. Yeah, lazy boys, let's go.
What's the whole point of the game?
Okay, she was talking.
Are you gonna rush up?
Yeah, we're going to the left side.
All of us?
Me, him, and 2 other guys. I'm gonna go short left, you go far left. You know what I'm talking about? Okay. You wanna come short left with me? You got a smaller rifle? We'll get there first, right?
Oh, yeah.
Will we? To the alleyway? Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys a tip, which should be common sense.
Stay together?
Stay together. That way if you are shot, you are not alone. You won't die alone.
And I tag you, you're done, right?
Yes, if the opposite teammate tags you, you're done. And 9 kills, you're done.
Yep. So they scalped you. I should have brought a lightsaber.
I wanted the lightsaber one to beat her with concrete, break the concrete.
Nice. Alright, here we go. This is the legit, real deal.
Okay, run left, or run right, and then run. Take a left.
Come on.
Come on.
Three, 2, 1, go. Sorry. Oh, dude, I'm so sorry. Fuck. Hit. Damn. Dead man walking. Oh, wait, sorry. Wrong game. Totally forgot it. I need a medic. I need a medic. I'm dead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Shoot him. Take it. Take it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good.
Let's see what here.
Still? Watch it. There's still one here. Go tag those guys. Get them out. Go get those guys. Watch it. I still got one on the corner. Big kill. There's a little kill right here. Little guy right here. Hit. I need a medic. One, two. 3,
Cover him,
4,
Austin, cover him.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're good. Hold up, I'm gonna run for that building, middle
I got
building.
you covered.
Okay, he's going.
I am.
1, 2, go.
Need a medic! Damn it! That man walking out! Whoa, shit.